Hello everyone, welcome to Lime Junction again. This is update 13. Unlucky for some, hopefully not for me. Just a quick update to show you finished the tunnel. Those of you have been following me know I've been doing the tunnel. It's only a short tunnel. I thought I'd just do a short one first because at this side there's going to be quite a big one going right out to where them bottles are and everything, leading from around there. So I thought I'd have a tester first, but obviously the scenery on top of that's going to be removable. Give you a closer look now at what I've done. As you can see, all the top's finished now, all landscaped. I bought some of the lichen, liching stuff or whatever it's called, and it does say it's for obviously double R, H obviously, which is same in an Engage, but it is quite big looking, but I think it does the job. It's overgrown stuff. I put a few bits near the pond and everything, some there, some down side of there. You notice he's got the class 24 running on the outer track now for a bit. Deltics on the siding. Waiting, but obviously the delta is going to be going nowhere. That track goes around there, it's not connected up. Obviously the J39 locomotive that's pulling a different load today. So as you know, people that have been following me, that's my son's loco, which we're going to do his board tomorrow for his bedroom. Now what else? Well, also we have a new addition to Lime Junction, which we'll just bring around, hopefully in one piece, and take a closer look. Right, today I bought shunter, fancy little shunter. I'm not going to explain the history of it because I have no idea. Maybe I should have looked it up before I did this video, but I liked it. It's the, let's have a look, Graham Farish make, Class 08 shunter. Obviously people can read when they're watching this video. BI black livery with the early emblem. I don't know if the phone will pick it up. Let's see. There you go. The early emblem on it. Just move out of the way for the loco passing. Zoom back in there. Yeah, just run it in. It's a nice little loco. Does what it says on the tin. Obviously it's pulling a small rake at the moment. What I thought, obviously I got a shunting yard anyway. Obviously it can do some shunting round and about, or it could do some shunting over here where there's a good shed. So I think it could shunt the goods trucks out to there and join them onto a loco out of the loco shed there. Right, so what we'll do, we'll just take a look from the other side, and we'll get the little shunter running, see it running. Right, here we are from the other side of Lime Junction. steam loco passing and the newspaper express going through tunnel. Oh, get your fingers out of the way. It's the J29 coming through. There she is. The newspaper express will disappear into there now. I'll show you more of the stuff I've done around the top. You see, got some grass and everything in there, which obviously I've cut to my length, but it's just obviously up there. It's going to be overgrown and everything, but nobody will get up there. And obviously down there, it's not as well detailed yet down there, but it will be when I can get to it. Let's have a look at this little shunter. There she is running, runs lovely and smooth. And a few shots of her coming round. There she comes, and there she goes. And going round the bend in a minute. I think I am going around the bend sometime. But there she comes. Nice little loco, or nice little shunter. Right. Just thought I'd update you on the little bits I've done. So I've put some of this lichen stuff down here. Down there, 'cause it looks like trees and as well. So yeah, it's I'm quite pleased with it. Next job on Lime Junction. Not sure really. I think what I'm going to do, zoom in, focus in. See down there, there's a track. I think we're going to get it. What I'm going to do down here is I'm going to have a point so I can run it off. This is the edge. So if I ever want to extend it, I can do. But it's going to come round here. Follow the train round. Here there's going to be another tunnel, and what I got a good idea off my friend Dave. He said make it all the top removable and have like a fiddle yard underneath, so I could have a train coming into the tunnel and then a different one coming out. So you know, obviously the running of the same trains, it's not boring. But it'll take some thinking that, but obviously it'll go around and it'll join onto that piece of track there. And then I'm going to have some sort of track higher. Not sure how I'm going to do it, but obviously with bridges and things like that, it might only be a small loop, but obviously the end gauge height. So that's it from Lime Junction. Hope you're all well, and just thank you for everybody that's supporting me and everything. It's great to have a few more subscribers. I think I'm in the 130s now, which is absolutely fantastic. So if it's first time you've seen Lime Junction, please subscribe. Feel free to comment and like. Also this video obviously will be going on to my playlist, and to the end of my playlist. So thank you everyone for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.